Divide 564 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 4 and 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 0. So 564 divided by 4 is 141. So this much for today and thanks for watching.